My name is Jake Marple. I'm the general manager at Old Harbor Inn in South Haven. Our property here is located in the Old Harbor Village complex, which is a little shopping retail complex that has some food and drink options as well. We're located just a block and a half from the center of town and less than a half a mile from the beach. One of Old Harbor Inn's greatest strengths is the views. And here in South Haven, you can't get a better view than our hotel. Just across the harbor here is the Friends Goodwill, which sails out daily, providing sunset tours. And it is just one of many beautiful sights that we see out our windows. In terms of amenities here at Old Harbor Inn, all of our rooms are going to be equipped with a kitchenette. So you can always make coffee here in the rooms or a light breakfast. We have rooms with king-size beds, 2 double beds, 2 queen beds, 2-bedroom suites, jacuzzi tubs, fireplaces. The list of amenities is quite numerous. I would say what brings me to Southwest Michigan is the climate. I love the 4 seasons that we have here, and I love the way that the business changes with each season. And so we have our booming summertime businesses, and then we have our sleepy wintertime business. And every season, there's something to enjoy. Because of how small the town is in this community, you really know everyone, and you're known by everyone. And so it feels like a team as we go into this summer season. Tourism here in South Haven is a major part of South Haven's economy. And with tourism, it really swells the town's population, swells the town's coffers. The Visitors Bureau is a great place to stop in and find out what you could do. They're very helpful in helping to find accommodation, suggest activities, or even put you together with some of the vendors that are here in South Haven. Their location being right at the front of town, it kind of is the doorway, if you will, and they can guide you to all of the attractions that you might be interested or may not have known you were interested in.